You're hemorrhaging money. Right now, today, your bank account is draining. $20 here, $25 there, $30 somewhere else, death by 1,000 AI subscriptions. And the worst part? You're still doing all the work yourself. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Midjourney, Cursor. Add it up. Go on, do it. That's $200, $300, maybe even $500 every single month just to stay in the game, just to keep up, just to survive in an AI-driven world that's moving faster than any human can manage alone. But here's what stings the most. Even after paying all that money, you're still the one doing the grunt work. Copying outputs between tabs, pasting prompts into 5 different tools, playing human router, deciding, should I use Claude or GPT for this? You're not using AI, AI is using you. Big Tech built this system on purpose. Separate tools, separate logins, separate monthly charges. Keep you dependent, keep you confused, keep you paying forever. Meanwhile, the real winners, the people actually getting ahead, they've stopped playing that game entirely. They have one system, one command center, one monthly bill. Except it's not monthly and it's not a bill. Introducing Frontier AI, the world's first autonomous AI empire that runs 24/7 on your own dedicated private server that we set up and give you for free. This isn't a chatbot. This isn't another login screen. This is your personal AI headquarters, powered by OpenClaw, an autonomous engine that doesn't just answer questions, it acts, it executes, it gets things done while you sleep. Inside Frontier AI, you get instant access to 100 premium AI models, the full, highest tier versions, GPT 5.5, Claude 4.6, Gemini Pro, Grok, DeepSeek, Llama, and 90+ more. Every heavy hitter in one place, automatically routed to the right task. No more guessing which AI is best for what. OpenClaw figures that out for you. And it goes way beyond content creation. OpenClaw logs into your inbox and handles client emails while you're at dinner. It creates and runs entire affiliate campaigns, including traffic generation for you. It builds and runs entire social media brands from scratch, content, scheduling, comments, DMs, hands-free. It clears your inbox and PMs on autopilot. It monitors sold-out events and grabs tickets the millisecond they drop. It watches restaurant booking systems at 3 a.m. and snags that impossible reservation the second it opens. And unlike every other AI tool that forgets you the moment you close the tab, Frontier AI remembers everything. Your goals, your tone, your business. It gets sharper, smarter, and more aligned with you every single day. Because everything runs on our dedicated encrypted VPN servers, your personal machine is never touched. No expensive hardware, no electricity costs, no security risks, no data leaks. Total freedom, total privacy, zero overhead. A setup like this, private servers, VPN infrastructure, 100 premium AI models, would normally cost Silicon Valley money. Not today. Right now, you pay once, that's it, one single payment, and Frontier AI is yours for life. No subscriptions, no renewals, no surprises, ever. But this offer won't last. The moment we hit capacity, the price goes up permanently, or this page comes down entirely. The AI CEO era is already here. The only question is whether you're leading it or watching from the sidelines. Click the button below, claim your private server, cancel every subscription you've been overpaying for. The AI industry is worth billions. You've been funding it. It's time to flip sides. Our beta testers are already enjoying the payouts. We're talking crazy results after a quick and easy setup up front. Frontier AI hands an entire DFY business in a box to you, minus the chaos. Remember, you have to hurry. The one-time price is limited to the initial launch only, so don't wait for the price increase. Right now, you can snatch it less than a small pizza costs. You're just minutes away from finally being able to make it online. Click the Buy Now button below, and let's connect personally on the next page. Your six-figure AI empire starts right now.